Okay, then we have the polynomial topic here we discuss, and in which we describe about the types of polynomial. Types of polynomial here we categorize into two parts because polynomial like types of polynomial, and then we divide into the two parts. Basically, here we divide like based on degree. Okay, first you decide the degree, and then how many types of polynomial are here, and then second one is based on number of terms because there are two basic concepts related to the polynomial. One is based on the degree, other based on the number of terms. Okay, so basically you divide into two parts. Here we draw the flow chart for the both the divisions, and now here we have like based on degree. One is constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. Basically, because constant polynomial here we describe about constant polynomial, it means only a constant term is given in the polynomial. Like you have p of x and p of x having only a number like 4 here. So this is the constant because here x is not given. If x is given, then their power is 0. Okay, so this is the constant polynomial, and then linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means a given polynomial in which a variable highest power, highest degree is 1. Like as an example here we denote like p of x, you have 3x plus 1 suppose. Okay, so because here we consider like variable is x only here and their power is 1. So it is called linear polynomial because a variable which has highest degree, that is 1. And quadratic polynomial, it means it has the highest degree is 2. Quadratic. So quadratic, it means your given polynomial may be not depend on the how many terms are given. The basic need is what? The variable is given and then power is compulsory the 2. Okay, so here we have the example like 9x square minus 11. Okay, so there are two terms, but variable highest power is 2, therefore it is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means a polynomial which has highest degree is 2. And cubic polynomial, it means it has highest degree 3. A variable you use in the cubic, like you have 3x cube minus 4x plus 15. Okay, there are 3 terms but highest degree is 3, therefore it is called cubic polynomial. And last is biquadratic. Biquadratic, it means it has highest power, highest degree is 4. So it is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay, so and now here we include like x to the power 4 plus 3x square minus plus maybe you add on 12. So how many terms, they are not depending, but one thing is remember, a variable given their highest power is 4. Okay, so basically here we describe the one part that is depend on the based of degree. A based of degree like constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. So there are 5 types based of degrees, and second part is called based on number of terms. Okay, so based on number of terms like monomial. Monomial, it means number, here you count the terms. Okay, here not count the variable. How many variables are given? How many number of variables? Their degree is not compulsory. Only you count. Non-zero terms you include here. Okay, a polynomial, there are non-zero one term is given. That is called monomial. A polynomial which is non-zero 2 terms for the binomial. A polynomial which has non-zero 3 terms are here, that is called trinomial. And quadrinomial, it means a polynomial which has non-zero 4 terms are here, therefore they are including in the quadrinomial. So basically here we divide like monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial. They are including 4 parts. So there are the 5 parts related with the degree and 4 parts related with the number of terms. So there are total 9 types are given here, but basically you divide into the 2 parts. First you divide into the form of degree, and secondly you divide into the form of the number of terms, because number of terms only including how many terms are here, because also here we describe like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the way. Basically, first you draw in your copy, you draw the chart, flow chart for the types of polynomial. That is basically first you clear out in your mind कि how many conditions are given there, because basically students are confused because teacher asks about the types of polynomial, then they are not asked the questions कि like types of polynomial related to what, related to degree or related to number of terms. So we described the flowchart both sided here, related to the degree, how many types, and related to terms are how many times, and also that is the important part in this having the types. You first describe about their definitions, because basically here we write down with the examples, like we write down constant polynomial, then we write down with the examples polynomial, and then how you explain like this. So basically you write down from the flow chart how many definitions here you have write, like 5 part from here and 4 part from here. Okay, so you write down 9 definitions like types of polynomial. First you write down constant polynomial, a polynomial which has their highest degree is 0, therefore it is called the constant polynomial. Okay, then you write down linear polynomial, a polynomial which has highest degree is 1, then therefore it is called a linear polynomial. In this type you write down all the definitions with some examples. Not only one example write down in the definition, at least 2 or 3 examples you write down in your copy, and then you describe. So like this you explain this the types of polynomial. So basically that is the whole introductory part is now here we describe, because these are the all components, they are related with the polynomial chapter. So further now this is the whole introductory part here we introduce. One more part is here I want to explain like zero polynomial, because this also may be question about the in topic what do you mean by the zero polynomial, because here we discuss all types but zero not including in this types. So zero a polynomial having as a only term, 0 is the only term there, like p of x equal to 0 is given, like okay, so 0 is given there, therefore it is called zero polynomial, and now zero polynomial is given, therefore degree of zero polynomial is not defined, because already 0 is there, so degree of zero polynomial always not defined. Maybe in the MCQ question ask the questions like write down the degree of the zero polynomial, so you write down degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, so all types here we describes, and now further their operations. In the next video I explain about the operation they are related with the polynomials. So first you learn these things, you explain, you write down in your copy, and then understand about the concept of polynomial. Thank you.